Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and today I've got another unbagging for you. But before I get into this, I just want to say thank you to all my subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I hope everyone's having a great day. And don't forget about my Etsy shop. It's called Just Minder Business, where I make cover minders. All the links to this, the shop, everything, social media, everything will be in my description box. Alright, so I am going to do 2 unbaggings for you today. And as soon as I can figure out how to open it, here we go. Alright, so I got these, of course, from Amazon. And this is a 30 by 40 round poured glue. And I'm just going to roll it backwards some. Now the toolkit comes with 2 pins. One of the pins has a multiplacer on it. It has a squishy, a larger thing of wax, and a green boat, and some baggies. Alright, so this is the image that I got, because I thought it was very pretty. I'm very into the country type stuff, so I really like this image. And this was $3.98. And like I said, it is a 30 by 40. You might or might not be able to tell, but there's the thumbnail. Alright, it has 34 colors. We got numbers, letters, and symbols, but it does have the DMC on the schematic. And we've got 2 schematics, one on the top left, bottom right. Very sticky. Very, very, very sticky. The drill field looks very clear. I don't really see any issues. It's going to have a lot of confetti, obviously, but then there's going to be areas to where you can color block. So even in like the flowers, you can at least do a 4-placer. So I think this is extremely pretty. And then the drills have the canvas number on it, but no DMC. Alright. We got 2 strips. So I'm just going to go through them really quick. I hope you can see them. I'm using natural lighting today. So there's blue grays. We got green. We got several different shades of green. We got some purplish. We got some beige. Lots of reds and orange. Some more grays. Another purple and orange. Some browns. Different shades of purple. Alright, next strip. We've got some more grayish, blue, slate looking colors. We've got some pinkish orange, some light blues, a minty blue, some browns, and then white. So yeah, I really like this canvas. And like I said, this was $3.98, and you can see that there's roses, there's a crate with a heart, 3 nails. This jar of flowers is sitting on top of the crate. And then there's like hearts inside the jars. Or it might be on the outside of the jars. And then this one has got some, looks like some rope tied around it. This one's got a bow, and then we've got some purple. There's a heart sitting there. 2 purple flowers. But I thought this was very, very pretty. So, alright, so there's that one. Okay, now this one I've seen on Amazon and I liked it, but I never did get it. Well, I went ahead and bought it this time because they had it for $2.99. So, regular toolkit. Now, I'm not going to open these, but it does have the canvas number on the bags of drills. And as you can see, there's whites, there's blues, greens, yellows, pinks, orange, a lot of pinks, some reds, some black, a lot of yellows. Okay. So, this is, like I said, 30 by 40. Has 20 colors, numbers and letters. Has the DMC charted. There's the thumbnail. And it says, be happy. And it has 1, 2, 3, 4 bees, a honeycomb. Looks like their little opening to the honeycomb. And it has all the flowers on the side. All of this is color blocked, I do believe. Yeah, every bit of this blue is color blocking. So we've got confetti and color blocking. Very sticky. So I couldn't pass this one up. I've liked this one ever since I've seen it. But I think it's been like $9, $10. Maybe $8, something like that. But I seen it like the other night while I was scrolling, and it was $2.99, so I grabbed it. But I think this one is so pretty, y'all. I just love the colors in this one. Absolutely love the colors in this one. So, what do y'all think? Which one's your favorite? I'd have to say the Be Happy is my favorite because I really like the pop of all the colors. But like I said, I do like the country look of this one. So, not a bad haul, y'all. Not a bad haul at all. So, alright. Until my next video, I don't know what I'll have for you next. Might be Amazon, might not be. I don't know. So, alright, anyway, I'm just rambling. So, until my next video, y'all, I'll see you later. Bye, y'all.